So today we're going to be looking at the XCN, which is indeed the ONX. My goodness, that's it. It's a coin that's just going up. It makes absolutely no sense. Now, if we go over here to CoinMarketCap, it's actually the most searched ticker out of the 9 million tokens that CoinMarketCap has listed. So it's not complicated, really. On the other hand, they announced that they wanted to have something about finance. And on top of that, it's decentralized on the Ethereum blockchain. Look here, that's exactly what it explains. And here's why. In my opinion, it's pumping. But beyond the name, what does it actually do? The important thing for us is that we're able to buy the dip, and then ride it all the way up. So if we take a look at how much the token has gone up in less than 7 or 8 days, let's just use this little ruler here, measure it. Measure from this white line all the way to here. Listen, the token has seen a 25x, almost 26x, and it's still pushing. You see? So as we speak, the indicator that you see there is the crypto indicator. That's pretty good. And a 25x, well, I've traded it already on 2 separate occasions, and I'm going to show you exactly where I traded it. It's all there. But what's important is that on the 4-hour chart, so you have the first level, the second level, the third level. You have to wait for the pullback. Then you can look for a 4th level entry. We don't buy at the absolute top like that. So today, I'm going to be analyzing an X coin for the